Okay, no lie. I think these might be my favorite lenses from Unibling to date. Like my favorite lenses. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate the support. Now let's jump right into these color contact lenses from the company Unibling. I've worked with them previously. I will link my video up above as well as at the end of this video in case you want to check it out. They sent me 4 lenses to review, and the lenses are Eros Brown, Satellite Blue, Yellowstone, and Rome Time Green. Let me know which ones you like the most, and of course, comment down below. Super excited to tell you guys all about these lenses because I have to tell you which ones I loved, which ones I didn't love, and why, as I show you up close shots as usual. But first, here is my coupon code up on the screen right here so you can check out Unibling's website. I do like a lot of their colors and a lot of their collections. They are very, very pretty, and I think you can find a pair of lenses on their website that you like. Again, I reviewed some as well previously, so definitely make sure to check out that video as well just to get an overview of those colors that I reviewed. Also, check out their website if you have not checked them out. I'm sure you will find a pair or a couple of pairs that you like. Now, let's jump into which ones I love the most and why. So the ones I loved the most were the Eros Brown as well as the Satellite Blue. I was so sure I was probably not going to like them, but surprise, I really did enjoy them. The Eros Brown are very beautiful brown, as you can see, especially in natural lighting. I think they are so natural, so comfortable, and very much unclockable. I think they would look great on anyone who has light eyes or if you have brown eyes. I'm not sure if you have dark eyes, if this color is going to show up on you, but I'm sure if you have brown eyes or light brown eyes, this pair will definitely show up on you. It is such a pretty hazelnut coffee colored brown, and I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to be wearing it more often. Definitely check out these lenses if you are interested in a beautiful shade of brown. It's not too bright, not too bold, not too opaque, but just very natural and beautiful. Now let's talk about the Satellite Blue. The Satellite Blue surprised me. They are such a beautiful shade of blue green. I would say like even a very light blue mixed with a medium blue and a pinch of green. I love these lenses. They are so pretty, and they feather very nicely with my own light brown eyes, so that allows them to poke through. And I love this effect on my eyes, especially up close. You can see with the up close shot, the blue is such a beautiful, pretty blue. I think it's perfect for summertime. I think it's perfect for spring. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below of the color Satellite Blue. And now let's get into the two that I kind of like but didn't like so much. Now, the color Yellowstone. I'm not gonna lie. When I first saw this color, I said, oh baby, this is gonna be way too bright for me. And it was. It looks sort of kind of natural, more like a light amber color, but it's too bright and opaque for me, and it kind of reminds me of like vampire eyes. I don't know why, but that's what I thought when I put them on and looked in the mirror. I was like, oh, I don't really like these too much. So I didn't really like them too much, but let me know, do you like the color Yellowstone? They very much are like the color, like yellow. They're very yellow, orangey type of lens, but it's too bright and opaque for my taste. But let me know, do you like it in the comment section down below. And now let's talk about the Rome Time Green. The Rome Time Green, I did like it. It is a nice, pretty shade of green, but I think once again, it's a little too bright and opaque for my taste. And they kind of come across a little bit blue, in my opinion. Let me know with the up close shot, especially, do you get that vibe as well? They kind of look a little bit more blue than green. But I think overall, all of the lenses are very beautiful. I think these are probably my favorite 4 that they've sent me so far. Definitely check them out. I will link everything in the description box down below. I'm super excited to hear what you all think, which ones are your favorite colors, and which ones you are interested in checking out and purchasing. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. Definitely check out Unibling. Check out the colors that they have in the different collections. I'm sure you will find some that you really like. And thank you all so much for watching and supporting me and supporting our channel. We are growing, and I'm super excited to continue to review color contact lenses for you all, as well as beauty products. That's it for this video. Check out my previous video right here from Unibling, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.